YouTube and welcome to my channel. On this channel, we've drawn lizards, turtles, and now we're going to draw the most ferocious reptile of them all, alligators.
Did you say alligator?
Yeah. Do you have a problem with that?
I'm scared of alligators.
Oh, well, it's gonna be okay. This is a cute alligator.
Well, that's a relief. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah. The first step in drawing your alligator is to draw a line that goes like that. Then, the next step is to do a shape that goes like that and an M there. Then you do a line that looks a bit like that and another line here to match that side.
What type of floor do alligators install in their bathrooms?
What kind?
Reptiles?
Then you do those two shapes there and there and some lines like that. Then you can do that line and a tooth shape like that. For the eyes, you can do two circles there and there with smaller circles inside of them, even smaller circles inside of those. Fill these parts in.
Alligators have eyes on the top of their head because they spend most of their time in the water.
Then you do two lines there and there. And you can do a long line that goes like that, all the way down there to make the tail and the back of the alligator. Then you can start on the arms. You do a line here and another line there. A line here, 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 and here. A line that goes like that, and another line there to make the other arm.
Alligator legs are short, but they're actually able to use them to climb trees.
Then you do a line that goes like that, and you can start on the other legs. You do a line like that, and one like that too. And another one of those over here. Then you connect that part to the tail. Then use some triangles all the way down the back, like so, until you get to the tail. Then you can start putting them there.
What is an alligator's favorite dip?
What?
Guacamole.
And finally, you do a long, long line all the way from here to there, and start doing some other lines on that line.
Alligators have 80 teeth. Yikes! Thank you for drawing just one.
Now you're done with your alligator. I'm going to color mine in time lapse. And that's all for your cute little alligator.
It is cute. I am now over my fear of alligators.
That's great. Well, if anybody has any suggestions for what I should draw next,
Non-scary things, of course.
then you can email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Thanks!
Bye!